Okay, hello everybody. Today we are going to be drawing the Grow Garden Bone Blossom. Not the tree, the fruit. I will be drawing the trees of the fruits later. And if you don't mind, like and subscribe, and I'm not going to waste your time. So let's start. Okay. So near the middle of the page, you go to the side there, maybe a bit up, and draw a line like that. And you're going to draw a line coming to the side. Okay. Now you're going to draw a line basically like that. And now same line like this over here. So let me tell you my update schedule while I'm busy drawing this. So I think I'm gonna be uploading a video every week. So yeah. So one video every week. It isn't that much, but it's enough to get me started, you know. And yeah. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, so now let's carry on with this. So then we're gonna go that. And just remember, if you can't keep up, just pause. So then you're going to draw a line going sideways like that and then down. Now you're just going to draw a line going that way and a line going up. You're going to draw a line up there, like there, and then just there. Okay, and now you're going to draw a line going up there. And then like that. Okay, so now it's going to be looking like that. I am just going to connect it like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the side. And then go up. So kind of like that. Okay, now you're gonna go there, up, and as you can see I ran out of space, so I'm just gonna do it like that. Okay, so now you're gonna connect those two. the same size as that line, just from there. And going down from there, just about there, so straight down from the corner of that bone. Just gonna go to the side like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a line down there. And along going through there. And if you can't keep up, just remember to pause. Don't say I'm going too fast with the comments. And yeah, so there. Okay, now you're going to draw line going like that. And there. Yeah. Now you're gonna just do that. You can kind of see the bone blossom shape in there. And yeah. So then you're gonna kind of do like a really tilted L. So like, yeah. I'm saying so like quite a lot. Don't know why. Yeah, so then you're just gonna connect it there. Then you're gonna go, huh? There, there, there. And by the way, I am trying to beat my friend Goth. I know it's quite a name. In the race, well, we made a race, yeah, to see who can get the most subscribers. Right now is he winning, so please subscribe. Please, please. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just please subscribe. Okay, so now coming back down to this over there. Now we're going to draw two lines going like that. You're gonna do that. There. And now drawing the last bone, you will want to do that. Then that. And then that. Okay, so now we're just gonna do that. Thank you for all the support, by the way. And so this is the finished bone blossom. I'm gonna pause the video and we'll get back to it.